Hello and welcome back, health and fitness enthusiasts. Today's topic is a guide to choosing healthy cooking oils, making informed decisions. Let's get into it. When it comes to cooking, the choice of oil plays a crucial role not only in enhancing the flavor of our dishes but also in promoting our overall health. With an overwhelming variety of cooking oils available in the market, it can be challenging to navigate the options and make informed decisions. In this video, we will explore key factors to consider when choosing healthy cooking oils, enabling you to make choices that benefit your well-being. Understand the smoke point. One of the essential considerations when selecting cooking oils is their smoke point. The smoke point refers to the temperature at which an oil starts to break down and produce smoke. Oils with higher smoke points are suitable for high-temperature cooking methods such as frying and searing. Examples of high smoke point oils include avocado oil, peanut oil, and refined safflower oil. Understanding the smoke point of different oils ensures that you use the appropriate oil for each cooking method, avoiding the unpleasant taste and potential health risks associated with overheating oils. 2. Consider nutritional profiles. The nutritional composition of cooking oils is another crucial factor to evaluate. Different oils contain varying levels of saturated fats, monounsaturated fats, and polyunsaturated fats. To make healthier choices for your diet, it's important to consider the nutritional profiles of oils. Opt for oils that are low in saturated fats and high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Examples of heart-healthy oils include olive oil, canola oil, and sunflower oil. By choosing oils with favorable fat compositions, you can support heart health and maintain a balanced diet. 3. Focus on heart-healthy oils. When it comes to promoting heart health, prioritizing oils rich in monounsaturated fats is beneficial. Monounsaturated fats have been linked to improved heart health and lower cholesterol levels. Olive oil, avocado oil, and macadamia nut oil are excellent choices in this regard. Incorporating these heart-healthy oils into your cooking can help you maintain a healthy lipid profile and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 4. Beware of trans fats. Trans fats are notorious for their adverse effects on health. These fats increase bad cholesterol levels and raise the risk of heart disease. When selecting cooking oils, it is crucial to avoid oils that contain trans fats. Carefully read labels and opt for oils labeled as trans fat-free. By being vigilant and conscious of trans fats in your oil choices, you can safeguard your cardiovascular well-being. 5. Look for cold-pressed and unrefined options. To maximize the nutritional benefits and flavors of cooking oils, consider opting for cold-pressed and unrefined options whenever possible. Cold-pressed oils are made through a process that extracts oil from the source without using excessive heat or chemicals. This method helps retain more nutrients, natural flavors, and antioxidants present in the oil. Unrefined oils go through minimal processing, preserving their natural qualities. These oils, such as extra virgin olive oil or unrefined coconut oil, offer enhanced taste and potential health benefits compared to their refined counterparts. 6. Consider specific cooking needs. Different cooking methods require different oils to achieve optimal results. For instance, when baking, oils with subtle flavors like canola or grapeseed oil are suitable choices that won't overpower the delicate taste of baked goods. On the other hand, when stir-frying or preparing Asian-inspired dishes, oils with stronger flavors such as sesame oil add depth and authenticity to the flavors. By considering your specific cooking needs, you can select oils that complement your culinary creations. 7. Experiment with alternative oils. While familiar oils like olive oil and vegetable oil are popular choices, don't shy away from experimenting with alternative oils. Lesser-known options such as coconut oil, walnut oil, or flaxseed oil offer unique flavors and potential health benefits. Coconut oil, for example, contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, and has gained attention for its potential role in weight management. Walnut oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for brain health. Incorporating these alternative oils into your cooking repertoire can introduce exciting flavors and expand your nutritional horizons. It's worth mentioning that consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian can provide personalized advice based on your specific dietary needs and health goals. They can offer further guidance on choosing the most suitable cooking oils that align with your overall well-being. By understanding the smoke point, evaluating nutritional profiles, focusing on heart-healthy oils, avoiding trans fats, seeking cold-pressed and unrefined options, considering specific cooking needs, and exploring alternative oils, you can embark on a journey of making informed decisions when it comes to choosing healthy cooking oils. Embrace the versatility of oils and let them become your partners in creating delicious and nourishing meals. If you got any value from this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and best of luck on your fitness journey.